The story of Ham, a son of Noah, is one that reveals deep historical connections between Africa, the Middle East, and parts of Asia. Ham, whose name in Hebrew translates to heat, black, burnt, warm, and even sun or Mercury, is often associated with the origins of African civilizations. This narrative sheds light on how his lineage shaped the diverse nations of Africa and their interconnected histories with the descendants of his brothers, Shem and Japheth. Let us delve into the intricate legacy of Ham and how his descendants have left their mark on the world. Ham, a pivotal figure in ancient history, fathered 4 sons: Kush, Mizraim, Put, and Canaan. Each of these sons played a significant role in populating and influencing regions across Africa, the Middle East, and parts of Asia. Kush, whose name translates to black or dark-complexioned, was the progenitor of the Kushites, a group renowned in African history. This name echoes in African languages, where words like Umkwishi and Munya Makwishi symbolize deep blackness. Some Kushites, known as Nubians or Noba, reflect the blending of Ham's and Shem's lineages, as the term Noba originates from Noah's name, since letter B is interchangeable with letter W in African languages, further indicating this intermarriage. Mizraim is another cornerstone of Ham's lineage. His descendants, the Caphtorim and Casluim, inhabited regions near the Mediterranean, influencing the culture and trade of those areas. The name Mizraim persists in African terms such as Musutu or Muzuru, aligning with the hieroglyphic representation of Egypt as MSR. Across Asia, Mizraim's legacy is also visible, with groups like the Sidis, whose name derives from Siri, a form of Mizraim, serving as a testament to their historical migrations. FYI, letter D and TH interchanges with letter R. Putti is recognized as the progenitor of the Batwa people, including the Pygmies of Central Africa and Khoisan of Southern Africa, as well as some tribes from part of Asia known as Negritos. This group's skill as hunters and traders is legendary, and their connection to the term Abba Putti, meaning diker, illustrates the enduring legacy of their ancestor. Canaan, another son of Ham, originally inhabited lands in the Middle East, now recognized as Palestine or Israel. Some of Canaan's descendants migrated to West Africa after their lands were invaded. Amongst many descendants of Canaan is the Sonink and Akan peoples. The Sonink and Akan were renowned merchants, and their Ghana empire reflects the entrepreneurial spirit of their ancestor, as both names symbolize merchant, though in recent times the word refers to great warrior, maybe due to the empire's fighting spirit. A recurring theme among Ham's descendants is their intermingling with Shem's lineage. Historical accounts highlight how Kushite and Semitic populations coexisted in Arabia, creating a blend of cultures and bloodlines. Similarly, Canaanites intermarried with other groups before migrating to Africa, further enriching the continent's diversity. These migrations were not limited to Africa. Some descendants of Ham, like the Caphtorim and Casluim, settled along Mediterranean coasts, and if possible they also intermarried with Japhet descendants, while others ventured into Asia, blending with local populations. This fluidity underscores the shared heritage of humanity, united through ancient forefathers despite modern divisions. The etymology of Ham, known in African languages as Munyama, meaning black, underscores his connection to Africa. His name and lineage are deeply embedded in the continent's identity. Words like Omuntu o Munyama, meaning black person, reflect this heritage, linking the African identity to this progenitor. Ham's descendants did not just populate lands. They built civilizations, traded across continents, and mastered navigation. Maritime prowess, often attributed to other cultures, was a shared skill among ancient nations, including those of Ham's lineage. Today, this legacy serves as a reminder of their advanced understanding of the world. The story of Ham and his descendants serves as a bridge connecting Africa, the Middle East, Asia, and Europe, if you look around Mediterranean regions, including northern regions of Africa. From the Kushites to the Pygmies, and from the Canaanites to the Sidis, Ham's lineage reveals a tapestry of migrations, intermarriages, and cultural exchanges. While the modern world is fraught with divisions and biases, this history reminds us that humanity shares a common ancestry, united by the legacy of our forefathers. Let this story inspire us to look beyond racial divides and appreciate the intricate web of connections that define humanity. As descendants of Ham, Shem, and Japheth, our shared history is a testament to the richness of our collective heritage.